You won't believe what just a few dollars and a trip to the Dollar Tree did to my garden. What started as a small DIY project turned into a full-blown backyard transformation, and the best part, every single item you'll see today cost no more than $1. But the result? They look like they came straight out of a high-end home and garden magazine. Welcome to Timeless Gardening, where creativity meets simplicity and where gardening doesn't have to break the bank. In this video, I'm going to share 25 Dollar Tree summer garden DIYs that will completely change the way you see everyday items. We're talking elegant planters, solar lanterns, cozy seating touches, and eye-catching decor, all made with simple, affordable supplies that look shockingly expensive when we're done. So grab a notepad, or better yet, start gathering your supplies, and if you love easy, budget-friendly gardening ideas, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment telling me which idea you'd love to try first. Let's dive in and turn budget finds into backyard treasures. Number 1. Stacked terracotta pot fountain. No water required. Let's kick things off with a stunning garden centerpiece, a stacked terracotta pot fountain without the plumbing. Using a few Dollar Tree clay pots and trays, I simply stacked them in a tiered pattern and added decorative stones and faux greenery. No water, no pump, just peaceful beauty. It's lightweight, easy to assemble, and adds that elegant spa-like vibe to any garden corner. Idea 2. Dollar Tree tumblers as modern planters. You don't need fancy ceramic pots to create a modern garden look. I use tall plastic tumblers from Dollar Tree as sleek, minimalist planters. Just drill a small hole at the bottom for drainage. Add soil and pop in your favorite succulents or herbs. Line them up along a table or ledge and you've got a designer-style planter display for under $5. Number 3. Faux cement planters using plastic bowls. To get that trendy cement planter look without the weight or the price tag, I grabbed a few Dollar Tree plastic bowls and gave them a faux cement finish using a simple paint mix. A little gray paint, some baking soda for texture, and boom, instant industrial chic. You'd never guess these were just plastic bowls from the dollar aisle. Number 4. Rope-wrapped bucket planters. Next up, I turned plain plastic buckets into rustic rope planters that look like something out of a farmhouse catalog. All it took was some jute rope, hot glue, and a few minutes of wrapping. The result, a textured, natural look that adds warmth to any patio or porch. Perfect for larger plants or grouping by the door for a cozy summer welcome. Number 5. Drawer-style herb box using crates and chalk labels. For a touch of old-world charm, I used a few mini wooden crates from Dollar Tree to create a drawer-style herb box. Stacked and staggered like old apothecary drawers. Each crate holds a different herb and I labeled them with Dollar Tree chalkboard stickers for that cozy cottage garden feel. It's compact, beautiful, and perfect for keeping fresh herbs right outside your kitchen door. Number 6. Hanging globe lanterns with solar lights. These globe lanterns might look like something from a high-end garden catalog, but they're actually just Dollar Tree garden globes and solar lights. I popped the lights into the globes, added a bit of wire for hanging, and suspended them from a shepherd's hook and tree branches. At dusk, they glow softly like little fireflies, giving my garden that magical summer evening vibe, all for just a few dollars. Number 7. Garden orb sculptures with floral wire and beads. For a touch of sculpture-esque in the garden, I used floral wire and a few strings of beads to create elegant garden orbs. I simply wrapped the wire into open sphere shapes, then added a few beads for sparkle. You can nestle them in flower beds, hang them, or group them in a planter for a modern art touch. They catch the light beautifully, and no one ever guesses they're made from craft aisle leftovers. Number 8. Faux metal garden signs with rub-on letters. I wanted custom garden signs but without spending a fortune, so I grabbed a few plastic cutting boards and trays from Dollar Tree and gave them a brushed silver finish with metallic spray paint. Then I used rub-on transfer letters to spell out phrases like bloom, herbs, and welcome. The result, faux metal signs that look like boutique decor for a fraction of the cost. Number 9. Dollar Tree mirror tiles for garden reflections. To add light and the illusion of more space, I used Dollar Tree mirror tiles to create a simple reflective wall feature. Arranged in a grid on a wooden backing or fence, these small mirrors catch sunlight and reflect the greenery around them, making the garden feel bigger and brighter. It's an easy way to add a touch of glamour without breaking the bank. Number 10. Glass gem mosaic stepping stones. Add a pop of color to your garden paths with mosaic stepping stones made from Dollar Tree glass gems. using simple concrete stepping stones as your base. Arrange the gems in bright, playful patterns while the concrete is still wet. Once set, these stones become a cheerful pathway that looks custom-made and adds personality to your garden walkways. It's a delightful, budget-friendly way to elevate your garden's style. Number 11. Hose holder post with planter base. Tired of messy hoses? I transformed a plain post from Dollar Tree into a hose holder with a planter base. Using a sturdy wooden post, I attached hooks to coil the hose neatly, then surrounded the base with a Dollar Tree planter filled with colorful flowers. It's both functional and attractive, keeping your garden tidy and welcoming. Number 12. DIY plant labels with paint stirrers and decals. To keep track of herbs and veggies, I made custom plant labels using Dollar Tree paint stirrers and letter decals. A quick coat of chalkboard paint makes them reusable, and the decals add a polished, professional look. Stick them into your pots or garden beds for easy identification and a neat, cohesive garden aesthetic. Number 13. Vertical hanging organizer for tools and gloves. Keep your garden tools and gloves organized with a vertical hanging organizer made from Dollar Tree storage pockets. Mount it on a garden shed wall or fence and you have easy access to everything you need, while keeping clutter off the ground. It's an affordable and efficient way to keep your workspace tidy and your tools at your fingertips. Number 14. Candle lanterns from picture frames. For a cozy garden ambiance, I repurposed Dollar Tree picture frames into candle lanterns. By assembling frames into box shapes and adding glass or clear plastic panels, I created elegant lanterns to hold LED candles safely. Place them along pathways or tabletops to add warm, inviting light that feels both stylish and affordable. Number 15. Crate shelf display for pots and decor. To showcase plants and garden accessories, I stacked a few Dollar Tree wooden crates into a tiered shelf display. It's perfect for grouping potted plants, garden statues, or seasonal decor, adding height and dimension without costing a fortune. Plus, you can paint or stain the crates to match your garden's style. Number 16. Solar-powered firefly jar lights. Bring a little magic to your garden evenings with solar-powered firefly jar lights made from Dollar Tree jars. Insert tiny solar lights into the jars, add some glow-in-the-dark paint or reflective beads inside, and place them around your garden or hang them from trees. At night they twinkle softly like real fireflies, creating a whimsical fairy tale atmosphere for summer nights. Number 17. Mini fairy garden in a tray with figurines. For a touch of whimsy, I created a mini fairy garden using a shallow tray from Dollar Tree. With tiny figurines, faux moss, and miniature plants, it becomes a magical little world that adds personality to any table or shelf. It's a simple project that sparks joy and invites imagination into your garden space. Number 18. DIY beehive from Dollar Tree rope and bowls. To add a charming rustic touch, I crafted a decorative beehive using plastic bowls wrapped tightly with jute rope from Dollar Tree. Stacked and glued together, it creates a cozy, handcrafted garden accent that celebrates nature and adds texture to any corner. It's a simple way to bring a bit of handcrafted charm to your outdoor space. Number 19. Butterfly garden stakes with faux flowers. Add movement and color with butterfly garden stakes made from Dollar Tree faux flowers and craft wire. Shape the wire into wings, attach the flowers for vibrant patterns, and mount them on stakes to dot throughout your flower beds or pots. They bring a lively, whimsical touch, perfect for brightening up any garden spot. Number 20. Wind spinner using plastic plates and beads. Create eye-catching movement with a wind spinner made from Dollar Tree plastic plates and beads. Cut and layer the plates into petal shapes, string them with colorful beads, and hang them from a sturdy frame or tree branch. As they spin in the breeze, they add playful color and motion, a delightful focal point in any garden. Number 21. Outdoor pillow covers using Dollar Tree towels. To refresh outdoor seating, I transformed colorful Dollar Tree towels into vibrant pillow covers. A simple fold and sew or no-sew method gives you weather-friendly cushions that add a pop of color and comfort, making your garden seating feel cozy and inviting without splurging. Number 22. Side table with trash can, pizza pan top. I turned a simple Dollar Tree trash can upside down and topped it with a metal pizza pan to create a lightweight portable side table. It's perfect for holding drinks or gardening tools, adding style and function to your patio at an unbeatable price. Number 23. Garden curtain backdrop with Dollar Tree scarves. To create a cozy garden nook, I used lightweight Dollar Tree scarves as curtains hung from a tension rod or wire. They add a pop of color and privacy, softening hard edges and making your outdoor space feel like a serene retreat, all without expensive fabrics. Number 24. Outdoor tray table from a frame and stand. I made a charming outdoor tray table by attaching a Dollar Tree picture frame to a small folding stand. With a printed garden-themed insert or waterproof contact paper inside the frame, it becomes a decorative, easy-to-clean surface, perfect for tea, tools or potted plants. Idea 25. Mood lighting with hanging Dollar Tree lanterns. To end the day with a little glow, I hung several Dollar Tree lanterns from tree branches and hooks around the garden. With LED candles or solar lights inside, they cast a soft, warm light, turning the whole space into a peaceful summer sanctuary. It's the perfect finishing touch to a garden that looks high-end, but costs next to nothing. And there you have it, 25 beautiful creative Dollar Tree garden DIYs that look expensive, but cost next to nothing. From planters to lighting, furniture to decor, I hope you saw something that made you say, wait, that's Dollar Tree. If you loved these ideas, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Timeless Gardening, and share it with a friend who loves transforming spaces on a budget. Let me know in the comments which idea you'll try first, or tell me your favorite Dollar Tree garden hack. I'd love to hear it. Until next time, keep growing, keep creating, and keep making your garden your favorite place to be, one beautiful dollar at a time.